Latest Events panel. This panel shows all the most important information about what is going on in your company. Let's take a closer look. The most recent event can be found at the top of the list. The events include status changes, new job assignments, and even deadline changes. This is useful for both translators and managers. To see more events, use the arrows on the bottom to scroll through the pages. Clicking Select will open the Jobs page. The Jobs page will be explained later in more detail.